Welcome to KidzByte TV for kids and by kids. I am KidzByte TV Junior Anchor Anaisha Mahendrakar. I am studying in grade 1 at Villa Teresa High School. What's your favorite way to unwind and relax? I like to do art and craft, and I am here to tell you why it is an amazing hobby. One of my favorite crafting hobbies is origami. If you try origami, you can take a plain sheet of paper, fold it, and make it into any animal you like. Did you know crafting hobbies like origami can help to develop our motor skills? Teaches us how to identify patterns and makes us better thinkers. But more than that, the real reason I love crafting is because you end up with a super cool item you made yourself. From paper animals and flowers to home decor, there are so many awesome things you can make on your own through crafting. You can even give these items to your family or friends. After all, what is more valuable than a gift you made yourself? Check out my video. Here is something very cool that I have made. Today we will make not just bookmarks but corner bookmarks. So let us start with a square shaped paper. You fold that square shaped paper into a triangle. Then you hold the paper like this and you fold this part to the center. Then you hold the point over here and you fold this corner like this. Now with this side, I will fold this corner again. Then after you're done with this, fold these two corners into the pocket. Now let us decorate our tiger. The tiger is the national animal of India. Now we are going to stick the ears, the tongue and the teeth. Now let us stick the eyes. Our tiger is ready. If you know how to make the basic bookmark, you can make many other bookmarks. Lion, who is the king of the jungle. Snake. Oink oink, pig. Let us show you how we put the corner bookmark in the book. Supposing this is your book. Voila! That's it for today. Make sure to check out other videos only on the KidzByte app. This is junior anchor Anaisha Mahendrakar signing off. See you.